Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing 3 essentials: a strong magnet, a clean cloth, and a solvent like isopropyl. First, wipe the surface to remove oils so tests aren't skewed. Then, hold the magnet to several spots. Stainless is often weakly magnetic or non-magnetic depending on grade. If it repels or barely sticks, that points toward austenitic stainless such as 304. If it snaps strongly, you likely have a ferritic or carbon steel. Keep observing markings as you test. Once done with the magnet check, proceed to detailed verification. You can gently perform a scratch test in an inconspicuous edge to see if a plating peels. True stainless won't reveal a different core like plated steel. If you have metalworking access, a spark test or a portable kit will confirm alloy family. Sparks are short for stainless. Also compare magnet results near welds and thin areas because cold-worked zones can show different attraction. These differences tell you how the alloy was processed. Finish by confirming with a controlled chemical or professional check. You can perform a tiny acid spot test using diluted muriatic on an inconspicuous area to see if it pits quickly. Stainless resists corrosion. If you need certainty, match stamped grades or send a sample to a lab for spectroscopy. If tests disagree or the magnet gives mixed results, make sure to consult a metal shop or use a handheld alloy analyzer. Doing so resolves ambiguity and prevents costly mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.